In this video, I'll be teaching you all how I prepare this sweet corn. This sweet corn you all know as maize. Just stay tuned and keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how I cook my sweet corn at home. You all know as maize. Yes, before I get started, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't hesitate to subscribe, comment, like, press the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Also, thanks to my old subscriber all over the world. Much love to you all. Please favor cares. Yes, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how I prepare my sweet corn at home. You all know as maize. Just stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Thank you.